Today, October 14, 2025, marks the official end of standard support for Windows 10, a milestone that affects millions of users worldwide. From this point forward, Microsoft will no longer provide new features, bug fixes, or general technical help for this operating system, which has been a staple in homes and businesses for years. Your computer will still function as usual, but it's now more vulnerable to new security threats and malware that emerge after today. Without regular updates, your PC becomes a static target for cybercriminals, who often exploit outdated systems to gain access to personal data or disrupt your workflow. Many users can't upgrade to Windows 11 due to strict hardware requirements, like needing a TPM 2.0 chip or newer processors, leaving older devices behind. Buying a new computer isn't always practical or affordable, especially for families, students, or small businesses on a tight budget. To help bridge this gap, Microsoft offers the Extended Security Updates, or ESU program for Windows 10 version 22H2, providing a safety net for those who need more time. ESU lets you pay for an extra year of critical security updates, extending protection until October 13, 2026, so you can stay secure while you plan your next move. This gives you more time to plan your next steps, research upgrade options, or simply keep using your current device safely for a little longer. Microsoft also provides ways for individuals to get these updates for free, making it easier for everyone to stay protected. In the next sections, we'll explore your options for staying secure, upgrading or extending your device's life. Let's dive in and see what's possible. Think of security updates as the team that keeps your digital house safe. Without regular updates, your computer's defenses weaken, making it easier for hackers to break in. Malware, ransomware, and other threats evolve constantly. Security updates block their latest tricks. If you skip updates, you risk losing personal data, financial info, and even control of your PC. Microsoft's security team works around the clock to patch vulnerabilities before they're exploited. The ESU program isn't just about your computer. It's about protecting your identity and privacy. Staying updated is your best defense in a world of ever-changing digital threats. Don't leave your digital door unlocked. Did you know you can get your first year of extended security updates for free just by using Microsoft Rewards? It's a simple and rewarding way to keep your PC protected without spending a dime. Earn points every day by searching with Bing, shopping at the Microsoft Store, or completing fun quizzes and challenges that are updated regularly. Once you've collected 1,000 points, you can redeem them for a 1-year ESU license, an achievable goal for most users, especially if you make it a habit. Getting started is easy. Just sign up for Microsoft Rewards with your Microsoft account, and you'll be able to start earning points right away. For the best results, set Bing as your default search engine on all your devices, and check the rewards dashboard for daily activities, bonus offers, and streaks to maximize your points. When you have enough points, keep an eye out for the ESU enrollment wizard to appear on your PC, guiding you through the process. Select the option to redeem your points for the ESU license, and your license will activate, giving you a full year of critical updates and security patches. This method is accessible, completely free, and helps keep your PC protected from new threats. It's a smart, practical way to extend your device's life without spending money. Stay engaged, stay secure, and make the most of Microsoft Rewards. Another free way to get ESU is by backing up your files with Windows Backup and OneDrive. Sync your important folders, like desktop, documents, and pictures, to OneDrive using the Windows Backup feature. A free Microsoft account gives you 5 GB of OneDrive storage, enough for most essential files. If you need more space, consider cleaning up files or upgrading your storage plan. After syncing, you'll be eligible for a free 1-year ESU license. Follow the prompts in the enrollment wizard and select the OneDrive backup option. Once confirmed, your updates will be activated. This method not only secures your OS but also protects your data in the cloud. Good backups are essential for digital safety. Secure your files and your system at the same time. If you prefer a straightforward approach, you can simply purchase a 1-year ESU license for $30. This is the official way to keep your Windows 10 PC protected with security updates, and it's designed to be quick and hassle-free for most users. When the enrollment wizard appears on your screen, just select the paid option and follow the prompts to complete your purchase securely. The process is user-friendly and only takes a few minutes. Once you've enrolled, your PC will automatically receive important security updates until October 13, 2026, helping you stay protected from new threats. Now, here's a special note for users in the European Economic Area, including the EU, Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway. If you're in one of these countries, the first year of ESU is completely free, and you don't need to take any extra steps to qualify. This regional benefit makes it even easier for millions of people and families to keep their devices secure without worrying about extra costs or complicated procedures. The ESU program is expected to last up to 3 years, with the price increasing each year after the first. This gives you a clear timeline to plan ahead. Remember, ESU is meant as a temporary bridge, not a permanent fix. It's designed to give you enough time to consider your options and prepare for the future. So, start thinking about your long-term upgrade strategy now, whether that means moving to a newer version of Windows or exploring other solutions. For the time being, these options will help keep your Windows 10 PC secure for at least another year, giving you peace of mind as you plan your next steps. Ultimately, choose the path that fits your needs and situation best, and take control of your device's security today. Even with ESU, adopt smart security habits. Use reputable antivirus software and keep it updated. Make sure your firewall is active. Practice safe browsing. Avoid suspicious links and downloads. Use a standard user account for daily tasks to limit potential damage. Decide which ESU method works for you. Microsoft Rewards, OneDrive Backup, EEA Free Update, or the paid option. The key is to act. Don't leave your PC unprotected. Use this extra year to plan your next device or upgrade. The ESU program is temporary, so start researching your future options now. By taking action today, you'll keep your digital life safe and secure, stay protected, and plan ahead for a smooth transition.